Apply is that ability for you to add and manage your custom fields so that you can have additional data in material item. Let's take a look at how that works. I'm going to click on settings. There's a new column here called customization, and under it, there is a tab called materials fields. When we click on this, this will give us a new screen that shows us the custom fields that we will manage inside of our material items. Up in the right-hand corner, we're going to click add custom field, and we're going to add the name of the custom field. Let's say it's serial number. You can see a presentation preview of what that looks like over on the right-hand side. And when you hit add custom field, it will add it to your view, and you'll be able to edit the visibility, edit or delete this custom field. Now, when we go back over to an item in our catalog and click edit, scroll down, we'll see a new section here for custom fields. The way custom fields works also is it's retroactive. So when you add a new custom field, it's going to add it to all material items moving forward, and you'll have to edit the new custom field with that corresponding data. Look out for additional features regarding custom fields, including custom inputs and other areas where custom fields will enable themselves. Let us know if you have any questions around custom fields or the management of custom fields.